When we use 3D printers, often encounter a headache. That is to remove the support. So how to set it up? To make the support easier to remove, take slicing software as an example. First enable support, then a lot of setting options will pop up. Here we have the normal support structure. Support is placed on the printing platform. Support overhang angle 60 degrees. This next setting is critical. Summons the option to enable support roof. Uncheck. After checking, not only does it make the support easy to remove, and the support surface is very beautiful. Increase the distance of XY support by setting. Can be removed more easily. Here we use the default value of 0.7. After setting up, slice and preview. Observe whether the support is abnormal. If there are no exceptions, we can export it for 3D printing. Next we see after we print, the process of removing supports. Because the option to support the roof is enabled, the support surface is connected as a whole. So when we remove the support will be removed as a whole. You can also see that the supporting surface is very smooth. You should have learned it by seeing this, right? If you learn it, hurry up and give it a try.